Hey Ladybug, so I want to show you guys how I put together my DIY tabletop fire pit. I was very nervous at first about how this would come out, but it is a freaking lifesaver, super inexpensive, and I want to show you guys how I put it together. And yes, TikTok made me do it. I'm not even sure if I've seen it on Instagram first or TikTok, but they made me do it and I did it, and I absolutely love it because it's perfect for my space. So if you want to know how I made this tabletop fire pit, keep watching. So let's get into it. First of all, thank you so much, ladies, if you're watching this, for helping me out with this balcony transformation. If you guys checked out my decorating my balcony video, you'll see the two ladies I'm referring to, but tremendous help with making sure I had everything in place. So thank you to them. Just as a reminder, everything I am using in this video will be in the description box below, also with the location on where I got them from. So starting with your planter, you are going to get your bag of sand and pour your sand into the planter. When picking up your products, make sure that you do not get things that are flammable. My planter is actually cement, so this will not catch fire nor melt. Next up, you're going to grab your ceramic bowl and go ahead and put it in the sand. Make sure you press it down and it's really down in there. If you have a bigger planter, just make sure like it's not shifting or anything, and putting pebbles or any sort of marbles in there will help with that as well. So you're just gonna now pour your pebbles or marbles, whatever you decide to use, as your filler into the empty spaces. Next up, you're going to go ahead and put your metal bowl in there. I believe that's an aluminum bowl. Again, something that's not going to catch fire when you light this up with the alcohol, which is up next. You can get any alcohol. I got 70%. I don't want to say any alcohol. I don't know what 90% alcohol would do, but I went ahead and stuck with the 70. But you're going to go ahead and pour that in there. So when it comes to timing of the alcohol, how long it lasts, I literally put a little bit in here. So you're going to see how much I put in there, which is not a lot at all. The flame lasted like 10 minutes. So I can only imagine if you put like half the bottle, it'll probably last you about a half hour. And maybe the full bottle, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. But for sure, start with a little bit, test it out. Again, a bigger bowl or a different size may not go as long as a small bowl. And here's the disclaimer, and here's where I was kind of backing everything up just because I wasn't sure how the first lighting would go. But definitely, guys, try this at your own risk. You definitely don't have to do this. It's just a super cute idea that I've seen. Instead of buying an expensive tabletop situation for my smaller apartment, maybe when I buy a house, but not right now. But my friend went ahead and lit it for me so I wouldn't have to be super close to the flame as I was recording with my phone. So kudos to him. Thank you so much. And yeah, if you guys try this, let me know how you liked it. Once the fire came up, I was so excited that this project came out perfectly. Nervous, yes, but it came out really good and I was very excited. I was concerned about carbon monoxide, but we're outside, so it wasn't too much of a concern for me. And it's not like it's lit for hours or I'll be around it for hours. So again, guys, definitely try this at your own risk. If you do know a little something, go ahead and shout out at me in the comments nicely though. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.